Well, hello, this is Jimmyism Turtle Nerdy channel here. I just wanted to show you a little quick video. It's not going to be anything nice or edited or anything like that, but I just thought I can show you this because it's so easy. If you have a rice cooker in your home, which I have right now, but soon won't have, it looks like this. I think it's a induction, I'm pretty sure it's some kind of induction heater, and it cooks rice. You just click a button and I know, and it cooks rice. But you can do other things with it. And before I tried to bake things and I completely failed because I didn't think it was an interesting texture as a real oven gives. But I finally, without looking for any recipe or anything, found out a way how to make something. Okay, it doesn't look super cool, but if I cut this to squares, I'll guess it looks kind of decent, like this, almost. Kind of not super decent, but kind of almost decent, maybe. But it at least tastes okay, and that's the important part. And it's so silly, oh god, no, damn it. Anyways, it's so silly that it's so simple that it's silly, that's what I'm supposed to say. This is normal sugar. I guess any sugar works. This is some kind of more healthy sugar. I don't know. This around half of sugar and around half of regular wheat meal, ground meat. What am I saying? It's too late. Ground grains. You know, meal, flour. That's what it's called. Flour. Half 50% sugar and 50% flour, and then you take oil, kind of regular, you know, this yellow flowers, raps oil, and as well butter, regular butter. You don't need enormous amounts, but perhaps I don't know, 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and then a little bit of oil to spread out the fat, able to kind of part up how the heat gets distributed. And then you also have vanilla extract, and you just have a lot of vanilla extract. Just pour. Okay, not silly much. You don't want to taste horrible, but kind of vanilla, some taste. You can also use some other taste, like, let's see here, cinnamon, or I used it, but I used saffron for this, but it's only a little bit saffron left because it's expensive, so it only tastes very little saffron, but you can use stuff like that. And then you just put it in the rice cooker, 50% meal, 50% sugar, and then mix in some oil, and then you want to make it, you know, you don't want to pack it down. You want to kind of fluff it up and leave it kind of in a ish flat surface, but it's an important part is that you don't compact it. You want to make it flat, fluffy a bit. That was the mistake first time. And now I did it a second time, and the texture is much better, and they also taste pretty nice, and they're not too hard. So that's nice. I don't know, I just wanted to tell you that. So if you happen to have a rice cooker, you can use this simple basic baking recipe, and you can impress some people that are worse in cooking than you. Anyway, see you. This is Jimmyism signing out.